How's it going, guys? This is a second part of the multi-version install for a free mcboot. As you can see, it installed successfully on my memory card. Awesome. Now, that is awesome. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and install on another card so I can have a couple of them. Well, guys, finally got it installed, and I hope you enjoyed. The first one was it was pretty crazy figuring out how to do all this, but yeah, I got it done, and now I've got to go get my Memorial Weekend started, a little grass mowing, maybe some barbecuing. Peace out from Texas, guys.